happy and you know, and clap your hands. Wow, happy na. When you kiss me and the morning. Kiss me and the night. Oh, di ba bright ka pa? Pas, ikaw naman. How to English?
He made salad
Okay.
for lunch.
Oh, this in English kaya commander. Day in the life as a YouTube get back Gorna Farm for today video day. Good morning. Mamulabog sa ko rin yung pakatawag ba hikik Anton nga di na mamuhinga for today's video na siya ha. So karon ara ko sokal di papa. Kiss me in the morning. Kiss me. Inom pa siya kuan mom. Berbran pam pabuto-buto. Ayos ang buto-buto. Buto-buto. Oy, buto-buto man nun ang ubak. Oy, ha, obo-obo. Ayos ang patuka-tuka diya, ha. So, karang gardenia hotdog. So, gardenia, classic sliced bread. Oh, ala. Ayos ang buto-buto. Nagbuto-buto man nun siya, ala. Ala, good morning sad ko na siya, oh. When you're happy, ayun na, clap your hands.
Good
Morning. Ay.
everyone.
So, ano siya guys, ato siyang itagog adult class, nagbuto-buto man nun. Uy, ala! Uy, ala! Money siya, okay, Ken? Milk supper, drink milk. Asokal di papa is, oh, wait, here. Here ba, milk. Here, hold here. Okay, drink. Oh, diba? Why?
Butang na
My
fingers. Here.
Okay, hold on. Wow, see? Wow, magtiayo ni mata naman ang asawa. Uy. Mana siya, oh, mana siya, in the morning, mana siya. Ano, ay, para busog, oh, di ba na, nambok na. Uy, tarungan na diya, uy. Sama ni atong caregiver, football ni Bea. Man ang guro, Tubong kinky kay na siya. So man na siya, no? Okay, clap ka. Na kiss me and the morning. Kiss me and the night. Oy. So man na si Mother there, oh, di ba? Sadlay na, happy na sweldo. Oh, happy na sweldo. So na si Mana na daw yung sweldo. Ay.
Lawat
Oh.
kip
Ay. Na-say hi to our follower. You're so famous na. Na-say hi.
Hi, subscribe.
And please follow our page.
Please follow our page.
Follow. Subscriber cannot be reached. Loading? Please, again later. O say, ma-loading man siya good kay. Kuan na siya gamay kuan man sana na. Na-stroke siya dahil sa una. Karon na wala na recover na ang kuan lang di lang siya makawakal. So, ana lang na siya. Gwapo na kay na siya. Ligo ni mother.
Nanambok yun.
Ogayon light. Arch! Are you happy, Anyon? Clap your hands. Mana siya guys, ang atong Gorna Farm is very supportive. Kayo na siya. O diba? With the matching. Arch! Hala! Kagwapong Raymond. Oy, Raymond. Nay, follower. Wow, unsa pag English bi? Wow, my mother is best in English.
That's why.
Ala. Ay, that's why.
No mayonnaise here.
Unsa no mayonnaise here?
That's why I put now.
The best in English kaya ko mother. How to speak English?
You're not.
You're not I can.
Ano na sa English?
Very long hair.
Matukan siya.
Yeah, maybe tomorrow we will shave na your mustache so that you look handsome na. Or you look pretty.
You look guwapo.
Oh, di ba? Oy. So, continue na basad sila diri. Hala, Majimbo, how are you? Majimbo tambok. Hala. Asa naman sila? Uy, nangawa lagi diri. Diri na sad sila mag-start sa atong kuan. At ato pa na nila para mahumana na siya.
Humana ni Ronda, kailangan mo
So, mana siya for today's video, day. O, di ba, lamig ka. O, nga pang, uy, slice bread with a mayonnaise, with a kever na siopa. O, pak, o, saan dyan, babe? Pag-English, hi.
That's why you...
This in English. Mana pa, mother, very ka kulit podly. What ka sa yes? Very ka ngepert. Saan, bi? For today's video, day. Sud ano ni Ken, day? So, apil ka na, day. Unsa ni day? Lami lagi ni day. Linat anday para na sa iyong breakfast mo, day. Pwede na sa share ta kay dagan man na.
Okay.
Oh, diba? This is for your breakfast is pork soup with vegetables with a matching English. Oh, diba? Mana siya, guys. Every morning, amo sana siya nagagatas or coffee. Kay mo dyan na yung ginahan. Then later, pakano na siya, mo na siya. Pinanggaw sa na nato tong gore. Uy, kay ngano, ang ato asukal ni Papa is the very sponsor and everything. Urge. Mo na siya.
Pili mo kwarto.
So, mo na ang wapa kasuhay. Paano ay na? O garbat. O gasukal ni Papa. Happy and you know and clap your hands. Wow, happy na. When you're happy and you know and clap your hands. When you're happy and you know what you do. When you're happy and you know and clap your hands. Wow, perfect. Kiss me and morning. Kiss me and night. Oh, di ba bright ka pa, no? Di ba? How are you today?
Okay.
Da, you're good because you have milk and bread na? Oh, wow. Perfect. You're a perfect singer. Wow. No. Musta. Oh, when you're happy and you know, clap your hands. When you're happy and you know, your hand. When you're happy and you know, what you. When you're happy and you know, clap your hand. Clap your hand. Clap. Oh, loading. Subscriber ka not be rich. Please try again later. Oh, loading. Please try again later.
Magluto sa
Oy, loading. Oy, loading sa tay. Raymond, map, unsang pag-map, di. Api na sweldo, api na allowance.
Imo ada.
Ito, unsa unong kuna, uy.
Ay, daghan na.
Ay, jolly bag. Hey! When you're happy and you know, clap your hands. When you're happy and you know, clap your hands. When you're happy and you know, what you. When you're happy and you know, clap your hands. Wow, perfect singer. Oh, ano? Wow, based in English.
Salad.
Wow, based in English. Kaya kumadar, how to English? Pas, ikaw naman. How to English?
He made salad
Okay.
for lunch.
Based in English kaya kumadar. Oy, baka na siya for today's video, guys. So, ang pakasuhay
Musulay
na
na.
panuway mo. Og asukal di Papa. Tamis ka inyong life. Oy. Paano lay ka?
Musulay na.
Na mo salay na. Na, you say, panuway mo.
How do I move?
Da! Say, olok.
Ulok.
Olok. Wow. Na. Oy.
That is pabukin.
You say, oy.
Oi, oi, oi.
Please follow our page.
Please follow our page.
Oy. Very good. So, mga to, palo na.